Welcome to Mid City School. Assalamu alaikum, students of grade 1. I'm here to teach you English grammar. So get ready with the grammar tree book and turn on to page number 3. The grammar tree book, page number 3. Today we are going to learn what can you see? What can you see? I can see a pencil. I can see a cat. I can see a bottle. I can see a jug. I can see a coat. I can see a table. So now, can you repeat the nouns you can see? Yes, children. These are naming words. These are things. So you have to repeat after me. What can you see? I can see a pencil. I can see a cat. I can see a bottle. I can see a jug. I can see a coat. I can see a table. If I say, what can you see in the fourth picture? You should answer me by saying, I can see a jug. If I ask you, what can you see in the third picture? You should answer me by saying, I can see a bottle. What is in the fifth picture? I can see a coat. What can you see in the first picture? I can see a pencil. Let's move on to the next slide. What can you see? I can see a mango. What can you see? I can see a bus. What can you see? I can see a lamp. What can you see? I can see a flower. All these things are nouns, and you have to tell me when I ask you, what can you see? I want you to answer me, okay? So you have to say it loud. What can you see? I can see a mango. I can see a bus. I can see a lamp. I can see a flower. What can you see? Now again I'm asking you this question. What can you see? You have to name the words by saying, I can see a. Now you can tell me. Now you know the nouns, you know the naming words, you know the names of these things, so you can answer my question. What can you see in the second picture? Yes, you can tell me. You can see a book, right? You can see a book. So now you can answer it by saying, I can see a book. Alright, let's do another one. what can you see in the sixth picture? The last box. Yes. Now your answer will be, I can see a chair. Next one. What can you see in the third picture? You can answer by saying, I can see a fan. Okay, what can you see in the first picture? I'm sure you can answer it. Let's try. Yes. You can say, I can see a car. Okay, next one. What can you see in the fifth picture? Yes, the answer is, I can see a shirt. What can you see in the fourth picture? Yes, you can answer it by saying, I can see a bed. Very good. Let's see what we have in the next slide. Yes, children, today you have learned the question, what can you see? You can answer the question, what can you see, by saying, I can see a wall. Now you have to read the given sentences on the screen, and you have to read it very clearly and louder. You have to repeat after me. So let's start reading. I can see a wall. I can see a pen. I can see a lamp. I can see a belt. I can see an apple. I can see a cow. I can see a dog. I can see a tree. Okay? So now, as you can read out all these sentences, I'm sure you are able to answer the question, what can you see? Read page number 3 again and again for better practice, and we'll meet again for our next English grammar lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.